They hate it when they stare, like I ain't even there, like I am just an air. They act like I've disappeared, and what I say isn't clear, like I'm outcasted and weird, reflection of a shattered mirror, like I am what they all fear. Bear me from society, they looking at me silently, violently depriving me of life, and then they lie to me, saying I'm a lying thief, but don't belong in life with these people who don't know how hard this life is to lead. They think it's glamour, fashion, pandemonium, madness, rent a hotel and trash. If that's not even accurate, it's more like a bad habit, like crack, I just gotta have it. Don't get it, I get erratic, down to split your fucking cabbage. These people don't know what it is to need it, and these people don't know what it is to feel it. Don't worry, mama, it's just bleeding for no reason. I'm sick of this, it's lyrical treason, so demons just beat it.
They always watching me, they always follow me, they always stuck in me, they always calling me, they always grabbing me, they always scream at me, they always laugh at me, they wanna make me bleed. They always watching me, they always follow me, they always stuck in me, they always calling me, they always grabbing me, they always scream at me, they always hating me, make me wanna make myself bleed.
Call them what you want, I call them fucking hawks. They all squawk, ready to attack with a flock. Bash your head with a rock, unconscious from a hard knock. These people can't drop it, they want to see you never rise to the top. Haters, dragging the people, making it down, but I'm a major, keeping the peace all around, and I'm a slayer of whack music makers. Take your career, throw it off a skyscraper, find your daughter and they rape her, ripping it, spitting it, twisting it, wishing it wasn't just me being so ridiculous, sick, and it's not getting any better, so I'm only listening to the wickedest. The witches and the wiccans in this are just here to hear me spit this intense and burn weed like incense and stump haters just like insects. Fuck them, plug them, snuff them. To me they're fucking nothing, bunch of pansies just running, they mouth until I'm fucking coming. I guess I'm haunting them like they thought that I wasn't, but here I come and they know I am, because they always watching me dump it.
They always watching me, they always follow me, they always stuck in me, they always calling me, they always grabbing me, they always scream at me, they always laugh at me, they wanna make me bleed. They always watching me, they always follow me, they always stuck in me, they always calling me, they always grabbing me, they always scream at me, they always hating me, make me wanna make myself bleed.
You may try to drag me to hell, but I will tell you it won't work well. You couldn't even lock me in a cell. I'm a real man and you're just a shell. Outcasted is drastic and you wish you could reach the status, but all you get is static. You're hitchhiking and backpacking while I'm laughing and blood passing, hacking up a lung and basking in this shit that you couldn't even imagine. So you better step away, I'm feeling ahead today, like my head is in the game and I am here to play. Put you in the shallow grave if you try to step my way. On these beats I can't behave, on these streets you will lay. I'm done with this, lyrically dump the clip on you people who run your lips. Now wasn't that just something sick? Ain't you wondering who this is about? And you pondering if you think it's about you, then it probably is.
They always watching me, they always